good way to prevent holes in your air mattress is to use some kind of a ground mat under your air mattress, like this moving blanket.
Can an air mattress be repaired while you're camping?
Yes, an air mattress can be repaired while you're camping. In today's video, we're going to repair this air mattress right here at the campground. I have successfully used packing tape to get me through the night, but I started using this tear aid and now it's part of my camping gear.
Okay, let's get right into it.
Before we can fix the hole, we gotta find it.
We're going to use a bucket of water and some soap to find the hole in our air mattress.
We suspect that the hole in this air mattress is on the bottom, but we're going to use this soapy water and find out. It looks like we found it, and there's more than one.
To repair the holes in the air mattress, we're going to use a few squares of this tear aid, but first we'll prep the area with some alcohol.
We've got the air mattress slightly deflated to allow for some stretching. I'm just taking a coin and kind of pressing on my patch here.
How did it turn out?
I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Do you think that this is going to hold up over time? I think it will because this mattress has plenty of patches in it already. Repairing an air mattress while you're camping is easy if you have the right gear. And this stuff's not just good for air mattress, it's good for inflatables too.
We'll leave affiliate links for all today's featured products in the description below.
We know your time is valuable, so thank you for watching.